All right, whether you're repairing a handpiece for a PowerX, a Microaire, a Vibrasat, or a Pure Sculpt, you can call the doctor's toy store. Make sure you send the handpiece in and the cord, because there could be a chance it's in the cord. But as far as how they're made, come over here a little bit closer. You can see this one is like solid state here, and you can see how, and this has been around for a while. See how it's straight? Okay, this is another one. Come look at this one here. See how this is bent? See how the cord's like bent? That's something that you really don't want to see because over time, this is going to go quicker than the other ones. Now this is a new style, but this is an old cable. And Microaire actually, if you straighten them out, they're made pretty well, so they don't have the issues some of the other ones have. But the little connectors could pop off. But you want to mail both in if you have a problem. Chances are it's not the base. Most issues are going to be the handpiece or the cord. And this handpiece, for example, there's no red dot on this piece, which if you have a lot of people handling these in the OR, what's going to happen? There's going to jam this in here and there's going to be your problem, okay? Red dot to red dot, like third grade, if you want to keep it working correctly. And then this is the PowerX, and we also repair these handpieces. So if you need to upgrade your system or you need to repair your handpiece with any of these systems, call the doctor's toy store. I highly recommend if you want the in and out tight motion, the Microaire is probably the best bet until Vibrasat comes out with a newer model, or the Pure Sculpt is definitely the best system going right now, and there's no proprietary tubing you've got to buy every time you use the product. And this is the only company that has the only all stainless steel cannula. There's no plastic on the ends here. There's no plastic at all. American made and all stainless steel. So the Pure Sculpt is the one I really recommend, although whichever one you want will help you out with. Call the doctor's toy store, 877-DRS-TOYS.